Imagine having a personal robot to give you emotional support, to help you with everyday tasks, like cooking and cleaning, becoming a travel guide, or being a balanced supporter when you are on ride, security at home, or your child's private tutor. How would be your life like? In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of personal robots, where we will explore 5 incredible robots that you can buy in 2023. These robots aren't just your everyday machines. They are smart, interactive, and ready to assist you in ways you've never imagined. So, let's get started. First up, we have Loveit. Whether you are a patient experiencing feelings of loneliness, or elderly individual feeling isolation, or a child with autism struggles with social interactions, as Loveit enters your home, its sensors and powerful CPUs immediately start detecting your presence and surroundings. It scans the environment, including your gestures and facial expressions, to understand your mood and needs. It sits by your side, responds to your preferences, whether it's gentle interactions, sensory input, or moments of solitude. Whenever you feel discouraged or fatigued, Loveit senses it and playfully nudges you or performs a cute dance, infusing the room with positive energy. Its companionship acts as a constant source of motivation. When you're feeling down or in pain, Loveit offers comfort by nuzzling against you or providing gentle cuddles. Its adaptability fosters a sense of comfort and familiarity, creating a safe space where you can freely express yourself. It can help with simple tasks around the house, such as fetching a remote control or turning on the lights, easing your physical burden and making daily life more convenient. Its warm and affectionate presence acts as a constant reminder that you're not alone in your journey. Moving on to the Vector robot. If you're a traveler exploring a new city, Vector robot proves to be an invaluable travel companion. Equipped with advanced technology, it seamlessly provides you with information and updates that enhance your exploration experience. Whenever you have a question about local attractions, landmarks, or directions, Vector robot is ready to assist. With a simple voice command, you can ask about nearby restaurants, historical sites, or even the local transportation options and weather update. Vector robot quickly retrieves the relevant information and provides you with accurate and up-to-date answers, ensuring that you make the most informed decisions during your travels. Vector robot can also capture memorable moments of your journey. Its built-in camera allows you to take photos without the need for a separate device. Whether it's a picturesque landscape, a group selfie, or a candid street scene, Vector robot is at your service, capturing the essence of your travel experiences with ease. It's like having a knowledgeable friend by your side. Our next personal robot is Astro. One of the most significant benefits of Astro is its ability to enhance home security. Equipped with advanced sensors and facial recognition technology, Astro continuously monitors your home for any unrecognized persons or irregular sounds. In the event of a potential security breach, Astro promptly alerts you, allowing you to take appropriate action. Astro's respect for your privacy sets it apart from other household robots. It gives you full control over its features, ensuring that your personal data and preferences remain confidential. Astro also assists with various household tasks, making your life more convenient. It can perform tasks such as cleaning, organizing, and even fetching small items. Its ability to integrate with Alexa further expands its functionalities, allowing you to control other smart devices and access information with voice commands. With Astro by your side, you experience the convenience of a personal robot while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with a secure and private home environment. Now, let's talk about Lumo. Whether you're riding on smooth city sidewalks, navigating through crowded areas, or exploring uneven terrains, Lumo effortlessly glides along, providing a smooth and stable riding experience. Its self-balancing technology ensures that you maintain stability and control, even when encountering bumps or changes in terrain. With its integrated AI, Lumo also can understand and respond to your commands and gestures. This makes it a companion that interacts with you throughout your ride. Lumo can perform a variety of tasks, such as taking photos, recording videos, or providing entertainment and convenience while you're on the move. It can also remember your frequently visited locations, optimize routes based on your habits, and even provide personalized recommendations for nearby attractions or points of interest. Cool, isn't it? Last but certainly not least, we have our ROYBI. If you're a parent who values education and wants to provide your child with an engaging and effective learning experience, ROYBI is an excellent educational companion for your child, offering a wide range of lessons and focusing on important skills such as problem solving, creative thinking, and language development. With over 500 lessons, ROYBI provides a comprehensive curriculum that covers various subjects and concepts. Its educational programs are designed to be engaging and intuitive, capturing your child's attention and promoting active learning. ROYB acts as a personal tutor, guiding your child through activities that foster critical thinking. ROYB's advanced technology allows it to adapt to your child's individual needs and learning pace. It can track progress, identify areas of improvement, and provide personalized feedback and recommendations. This tailored approach ensures that your child receives targeted support and challenges, maximizing their learning potential. It also helps your child improve their vocabulary, pronunciation, and conversational skills. ROYB's language learning features create a supportive environment for your child to practice and enhance their language abilities, boosting their confidence and fluency. And there you have it, 5 amazing personal robots that you can buy in 2023. So, which personal robot caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. Watch our another video on humanoid robot that will replace human in tech industry, where we explored how humanoid robots are reshaping the industry. Like, subscribe and keep watching. And we will see you soon.